What's up, my adventure loving friends? Welcome to another video. I'm in the Mount Hood Meadows in Oregon, right next to Mount Hood, right there. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. It is completely cloud covered. So I am at a trail that I haven't hiked in about 3 years. So I'm really happy to be back. I'm going to revisit two beautiful cascade waterfalls. The first is Umbrella Falls, which is only a quarter mile from the trailhead. And then we'll continue on to Sahale Falls. It is a really nice, cool day out, so can't wait to get started. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it. Pacific Northwest. Let's go. Here we are, Umbrella Falls. Like I said, just a quarter mile from the trailhead. This is a really nice cascade waterfall. Very beautiful. Let's go take a look. All right guys, I am almost to the waterfall, and once we get there, there is a short but very steep descent to the base of the falls, but I'll head down there. All right guys, I made it to the section of the trail where I'll be descending down, so we have a really nice view of the waterfall at the base. So let's get going. All right, that was just another fantastic cascade waterfall. Very beautiful, just like Umbrella Falls. Now I'm going to continue on the trail just for a little bit, because the trail will lead to a road with a bridge, and right when you're on the bridge there should be another view of Sahale Falls. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, that is going to do it for me. That is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed those two beautiful cascade waterfalls. And I hope you enjoyed that drone footage as well. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel because I want you to continue to adventure with me in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where I'm going to take you to see even more waterfalls, scenic views, mountains, lakes, rivers, and other parts of the Pacific Northwest. And then I'll catch you on my next adventure.